We'll guide you through how to delete a photo in Google Drive using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on My Drive to view all your files and folders. Now, locate the photo you want to delete. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files and need to find it quickly. Once you've found your photo, you have a couple of options. You can either right-click on the photo and select Remove from the drop-down menu, or simply click on the photo to select it. Once selected, look for the trash bin icon at the top right corner of the screen and click it to remove the photo. This action will move your photo to the trash folder, where it will stay for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If you want to immediately delete it completely, go to the trash folder on the left sidebar, find your photo again, right-click on it, and select Delete Forever. Remember, once you delete it forever, there's no way to recover it, so make sure you really want to get rid of it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.